Have you ever wondered why pilots avoid the Pacific Ocean during flights? It's a question that stirs intrigue and curiosity, a mystery wrapped in the everyday phenomenon of flight paths. A common misconception is that pilots give the Pacific Ocean a wide berth, but is this really the case? Is there a secret that the aviation world isn't telling us? To uncover the truth, we need to delve into the world of aviation and understand a few key concepts. In aviation, the shortest distance between 2 points isn't a straight line. An interesting concept, isn't it? That's because we're dealing with the Earth, a sphere, not a flat plane. This is where the concept of the Great Circle Route comes into play. The Great Circle Route is, quite simply, the shortest route between 2 points on the surface of a sphere. Imagine you've got an apple, and you're trying to cut it in half. The line your knife makes as it slices through the apple. That's a great circle. So, when pilots plot their courses, they're not thinking in straight lines, they're thinking in great circles. This results in flight paths that may appear curved when you look at them on a flat map. But remember, we're not dealing with a flat Earth. This is all a bit of a mind bender, isn't it? But it's critical in understanding why pilots choose the routes they do. So the flight path might appear curved on a flat map, but it's actually the shortest distance on a globe. But it's not just about the shortest route. When charting a course through the skies, pilots also have to consider fuel efficiency and safety. The wind is a significant player here. Favorable wind patterns can reduce fuel consumption dramatically, making certain routes more desirable. Conversely, strong headwinds can increase fuel usage, making some paths less efficient. Safety is another paramount consideration. In case of an emergency, it's crucial to be within a reasonable distance of a suitable landing site. Over vast stretches of the Pacific Ocean, these sites are few and far between. This, coupled with unpredictable weather patterns and the great distance from rescue services, makes certain parts of the Pacific less desirable. So, it's not that pilots avoid the Pacific Ocean entirely, they're just playing a complex game of risk and reward, always seeking the optimal blend of efficiency and safety. They choose the path that balances these two critical components, ensuring a smooth and secure journey for all on board. So, do pilots really avoid the Pacific Ocean during flights? Well, the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Pilots do not completely avoid the Pacific Ocean. In fact, there are numerous flight paths that do cross this vast body of water. Popular routes like Los Angeles to Tokyo, San Francisco to Sydney, these flights regularly traverse the Pacific, showcasing that it's not an area to be avoided entirely. You see, the chosen flight path of any journey is a strategic decision influenced by a multitude of factors. It's not just about the destination, although that's a key part. It's also about the weather conditions, wind patterns, and yes, even the curvature of the Earth. All these elements play a crucial role in determining the most efficient and safest route for a flight. For instance, if a storm is brewing over the Pacific, then airlines might opt for a different route to ensure the safety of their passengers. Similarly, wind patterns can significantly impact fuel efficiency. If a strong tailwind is present along a particular route, it could mean massive fuel savings, and therefore that becomes the preferred route, even if it means crossing the Pacific. So, the next time you're on a flight, remember it's not about avoiding oceans, it's about taking the safest and most efficient route. So sit back, enjoy your in-flight movie, and let the professionals in the cockpit guide you safely to your destination.